Hi, my name is Prakash. I am from Davangere. I completed my graduation BE in Civil Engineering from Genuine Institute of Technology, Davangere, and I completed my diploma in Civil Engineering from Polytechnic, Ranebennu. Once after I completed my BE, I joined the Qspiders Rajajinagar in Bangalore. Initially, I started with aptitude and SQL by Sunil sir and Lavanya Kumar sir. Then after I started manual testing by Pradeep Aldur sir and Java by Shankar sir. And the faculties are very good. Because of them, I am placed in the good company called EPAM. In the I got placed in a good company with a good package, and I am very thankful to the Qspider faculties and the trainers. That's it.